From a service delivery perspective, it's not just been the self-service piece and the ability to educate our users from a self-service component and a service catalog perspective, but it's also been the service quality that I think has increased because we're using a tool that allows us to have so much more visibility into the data that's there. TCU is a university located in Fort Worth, Texas. We're a school of about 10,000 students. We had a developer that was assigned to us from our development team that every 6 to 8 months they'd get the opportunity if we'd asked to add or make a change to the tool set. You can't really run a business that way when you've got to make changes on the fly, especially when we have emergencies and we have new upcoming things that happen. 6 to 8 months to be able to get in and make those changes wasn't flexible enough for us. One of the unique components about Cherwell is its codeless programming and the ability to own that at the service desk level. When we implemented the tool, we started and within 3 months we had a tool set that we had added that allowed for bug reports as well as feature requests to be put in. And in that particular situation, we had over 200 features that were added within the first 3 months. And that was huge because we were never even able to add one additional feature without going through a whole lot of additional work in our previous tool. If you can make your organization better through a tool, more efficient, better reporting, you can look at metrics in a different way and help your consultants think through how they solve issues a little bit differently, all of a sudden that changes the service delivery that you provide to your end users, and it changes their lives, their experience, as well as represents TCU in the light that we want it to represent TCU in. It's such a great university, there's so many things that we do great here, but we wouldn't want someone walking away saying, well, the technology that they have is just not great. It doesn't work well, their support is awful. We don't hear those types of complaints anymore, and that's been a big change in a service delivery culture that we've tried to create, but then also by putting in tools like Cherwell to allow us to measure things in a different way, it's given us that flexibility and opportunity to make that happen.